LearnWorlds Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of LearnWorlds. For more details and to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. LearnWorlds is a robust online course creation platform designed for educators, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to monetize their knowledge. It's perfect for those who want to build, market, and sell online courses with a seamless, user-friendly experience. Whether you're a solo creator or part of an organization, LearnWorlds provides all the tools necessary to create a professional online school. One of the standout features of LearnWorlds is its flexibility. The platform allows you to create highly interactive courses with features like quizzes, certificates, assignments, and even video-based assessments. This makes it an excellent choice for instructors who want to engage their students actively. Additionally, LearnWorlds provides extensive customization options for course design, allowing you to match the look and feel of your brand without needing advanced technical skills. It also supports multimedia content, so you can integrate videos, PDFs, audio files, and more into your lessons. Another key feature is LearnWorlds' powerful sales and marketing tools. It offers built-in sales pages, affiliate programs, and email marketing tools to help you reach your target audience. The platform's analytics feature allows you to track student progress, monitor sales, and optimize your business strategies effectively. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, LearnWorlds provides everything you need to grow your course business. LearnWorlds is designed for anyone looking to create and sell online courses, from individual educators to large organizations. It's particularly beneficial for those who want a full-featured platform that goes beyond just course delivery, offering a comprehensive approach to selling and marketing. In summary, LearnWorlds is a powerful, feature-rich platform that stands out in the online course creation space. With its interactive course features, strong sales tools, and easy-to-use interface, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to create, sell, and manage online courses. Check out the links in the description below to get started today.